Now that I have the control points set, we're going to move on to rectifying the image to the selected control points. So to perform the rectification, I'm going to click the Start Georeferencing button in the Georeferencer window. It's going to say please set the transformation type, and the transformation settings window will open. For the transformation type, I'm going to choose Polynomial 1. I'm going to choose Nearest Neighbor as the resampling method. This is the standard raster resampling method for discrete data such as a scanned map. I'm going to click the Browse button to the right of Output Raster. I'm going to navigate to my lab folder, and I'm going to name the file sac1_cir_modified_spcs.tif. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to click the Browse button next to the target SRS, and I'm going to filter and type in 102642, and then I'm going to choose NAD 83, state plane, etc., 0402 feet, and I'm going to click OK to make that the selected CRS. I'm going to click Load in QGIS when done, and I'm going to click OK to perform the rectification. When the rectification is performed, two things will happen. First, the rectified image will be added to the QGIS map canvas relative to the selected ground control points. You can see that here on my map canvas. The second thing that happens when the image is rectified is the residual values will appear in the GCP table in the Georeferencer window. If I scroll over, you can see them here. The residual column reports the residual value for the control point. The dx and dy columns report the difference in locations between the georeferenced image and the rectified images in pixels. Below the GCP table is the transformation mean error. Let me move that up here a little bit so you can see it. There you go. Ideally, you'll try to obtain a residual value less than 0.5 pixels. Additionally, ideally, the mean error would be less than 2.0. If the residual is less than 0.5 pixels and/or the mean error is less than 2.0, the rectified image is probably pretty good. If the residual is greater than 0.5 pixels or the mean error is greater than 2.0, then delete or readjust the existing ground control points to make the residual better. Try taking more ground control points to see what effect this has on the residuals. Notice that small changes in not choosing the exact pixel between the two images can have dramatic effect on the resulting residuals and hence the quality of the final rectified image output.